Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix isDone.Dynamic Link Library and Unarc.Dynamic Link Library error when you try to install the software or games. So here, brief description for you. The isDone.Dynamic Link Library and Unarc.Dynamic Link Library error in Windows 11 or 10, mostly related to the installation of PC games as well as program of large size. Here, this eats up your PC RAM as well as hard drive. While installation, if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So here, the first method or the very important method is increase Windows page file or virtual memory. You can hold Windows key and R key in order to open run box. You can type sysdm.cpl as well as dm.cpl in order to open system properties. Click OK. Click Advanced, click Performance Settings, and click again Advanced, and under Virtual Memory you can click Change. You can untick this box and click Custom Size, and here you have to learn about how you can fill this based on your laptop RAMs or your PC RAMs, but the recommendation said you can use this 400 for initial and 3000 for the maximum size. Click Set and click OK. After that, you can restart your PC and try to reinstall the software or the games. Again, for most games is 2.5 GB, so the files will work in most cases again for 100 and 3000 like I mentioned before. So they set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe text button below. See you in the next video.